In line with the consent judgment, it will continue to import 1.5 million metric tons of cement per annum for the period between 1st October 2007 and 30th of September 2019. This was in line with the federal government guarantee conveyed in a letter by the Ministry of Trade and Industry dated 5th June 2002. By the judgment, the federal government was to pay IBETO Cement Company the sum of $40 million and 1.9 billion naira. The amount is the verified claims by the Interministerial Committee of the federal government for losses suffered by IBETO from the unjustified closure of its bagging plant between December 2005 and when it resumed operation in October 2007. But Govt Cement PLC consented that it